What's the correct way to roll a raw cone? I'm gonna break it down for y'all and show y'all how. Because when I first started off, I was a little rough around the edges. I used to rip the papers. I still rip them sometimes. Let me give y'all a rundown, a little tutorial on how to do it. Take it and you stick it in there. You know? Put it in there. Hold on, I'm a little messy right now. And what you do is you take your straw. The straws, they don't give the straws a lot now when you buy them off of eBay. But I already got a lot of them because I've been collecting for a while. So you push that down, right at the top. Don't get too carried away, don't be hard. Be a little gentle, but try to get that in. You ain't gotta make it too tight, but make it firm. So it'll be stiffer. Okay? I'm a little messy, y'all, sorry. But you know, it's trying to give you the 411, the info, for the nympho. You want to keep it tight. Trying to put that together a little. I don't know if I got enough to fill it up. I done rolled so many. You know, following the ancient customs and traditions of my ancient foremothers and forefathers. This kills a lot of illness, kills cancer, a lot of things. So this is traditions, Declaration of Rights of Indigenous People. I have the right to follow the ancient customs and traditions of my ancient foremothers and forefathers. And that's what this is. Indians, so-called Indians, use the peace pipe. You know, there was the same thing in there. Let me finish up. Just letting y'all know, because they be on here, we're not supposed to be doing this. It's not legal yet. It don't have to be legal. Our ancestors did this. So look, I'm steady pushing it down with the straw. Making sure I keep it tight, like a female. Oh, let me get this together. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fill it up. Down to my last. I'm going to try. Squinch it in the seat. This guy is pushed all the way into the seat. Push it down, keep it tight. And I'm going to show you after you're done. How you make it even tighter. When I first started, I had a problem with this. Might not get it all the way full. Back up. Sorry. Cameraman trying to be on the plate. Come on, y'all. Come on, little grams. All over here, little crumbs. All of y'all getting put to use. This is herbal medication. Now they finally starting to tell y'all the truth. They knew what it was from the beginning. But DuPont didn't want to ruin the textile business because hemp would have killed them. So that's why they made it illegal. Well, I'm not going to be able to get it all the way full because I already enrolled so many of them today. But look, after you tighten the top, you want to keep it to where you have a little room up here. You push it down a little bit on here at the tip to push your stuff down, and you roll it again. Then you take and you squeeze around it a little bit to move your greenery down, and you tighten it again. You do this several times by pushing the top, but be careful. Don't use your nails because it will rip. I done ripped several of them before. Now you see it's tight. Perfect raw cone rolling. This is the correct way to roll the perfect raw cone. Matawala Mombe, Shankaa, I'm out.